How to change country or region on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change your country or region on Instagram. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you'll get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, at the top right, tap on three lines. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and find out the options like account, types and tools. After you open account type, simply tap on the option switch to professional account. And from here, tap on next at the bottom. Alright, again tap on switch to professional account. Alright, tap on OK. And from here, choose any category like for your creator or business. Simply choose anyone and tap on next. Alright, tap on OK. And from here, simply you have to just set up your professional account. After you complete your profile, from here, you can easily add or update country or region on your Instagram and people can easily know which country or which region from you are. After you complete this process, you can simply verify your professional account. And that's it. This is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.